welcome back to another unboxing of one of these Target Best of Beauty boxes. This is the Best Night in self-care box. It's got beauty and wellness essentials in here. From what I can tell off the back, it looks like mostly like bath type products, but I'm excited. So I love all the little artwork on here. It's so cute. Okay, I guess there's none on that side, but alright, let's see. Can I... Yeah, that's not gonna... Oh well. No way of cleanly doing that without destroying it, but what can you do? Now, what side do we... Okay. Just lift on up. Ooh! So, first things first, we have a little loofah. I always love my loofahs. This is by Eco Tools. Clean Beauty, Clean Planet is delicate. Yes, it is. It's an Eco Poof. Best for gentle cleansing. It's 100% recycled netting. Nice! Nice. For a gentle cleanse, wet the sponge, add body wash, lather, and massage all over skin. Well, no kidding. Clean, rinse, and hang to dry. Replace every 30 days. Yeah, I definitely go more than 30 days with mine. I replace mine about like once a year. Anyway, so let's see here. Does it say anything else about it here? Nope. Okay. So there's that guy. Next one in, you know I'm a fan of. This is the Freeman Anti-Stress Clay Mask with Dead Sea Minerals for normal to combo skin. Instant clean. It's got 3 to 4 uses in this little sachet, which is fabulous. Unwind from the grind by treating skin to a much-needed escape with this nutrient-rich mask. Dead sea minerals and sea salts help replenish and balance moisture while purging clogged pores. Lavender and bergamot help put skin in a bliss-like state and rinse away stress for smooth, radiant skin. Perfect for all skin types. Oh, if I'd known this had like lavender and bergamot in it a long time ago, I would have bought this forever ago. Holy shit. Alright, that one. That's a winner right there. And then we have by Eva NYC the Therapy Session Hair Mask. I think we also got this in that hair products set. Am I wrong? I feel like we did, but I'm all good with another one. So no sulfates, parabens, or phthalates, which means I can use it on my hair. So it deeply conditions, hydrates, and softs. Yeah, we definitely got one, but that's all right. Powered by argan oil and plant protein. Nice, nice. Oh, we have full size of the Arc Whitening Fluoride Toothpaste. It has charcoal in it. See, that makes me nervous because the fluoride, sure, that helps strengthen teeth, but then the charcoal also strips and weakens teeth. So which is it? Which is it? Make up your mind. Oh, and that's the back side I was looking at. That's the front side. Yeah, apparently we have a nice full-size product of that one, should I choose to try it out. I'm a little nervous about it, though, not gonna lie. Especially since I have a temporary still on one tooth, and I really don't want it staining black. Like, really, really do not want that to stain black. By Up and Up, we have Deep Cleaning Pore Strips. Compared to the Biore Deep Cleansing Pore Strips, there's 14 in here. Sure, why not? Betcha that it's just like most pore strips where the way they're sized, they are not meant for girls with big noses, but I mean, I'll do my best. Ooh, a nice big full size of this. I'm like, ooh, it's heavy. It's by a brand called Smartly. It's their hand and body lotion. Smells like, well, nothing. Bravo! I appreciate the packaging. I do. Granted, I love my scented products, but every once in a while, it is nice to have an unscented one on hand. So, it's good to have that. And look at that! Like, again, 15 bucks. That's probably at least 15 bucks right there. Just saying. Plus all the other stuff. Like, this is a good box, and that also explains why this box was so damn heavy when I picked it up, because I was kind of shocked by that. Then we have, oh thank God, we've got some of the Hero Mighty Patch Duos. Lord knows I could use more of those right now, because I am almost at the end of mine. Oh my goodness, yes, okay. Definitely good. Very, very glad. Ooh, another mask. This one's by Kate Bella. It's their conditioning dragon fruit gel cream mask. Nourishing and skin conditioning. Oh, looks like it's gonna be pink on. Oh, that's gonna be fun. And then finally, we have one of those two-step masks. This is by the brand Yes2, and it's the Yes to Cucumbers two-step eye kit. Step 1, depuffing under eye masks, 2 eye masks. Step 2, daily eye treatment. I wonder how much is in the eye treatment one, given that I think once it's open, you kind of have to use it up. It's like use a small amount and dab around the eyes, so I'm like, hard to tell if there's like a bunch of liquid in here or what, but like, interesting. But yeah, that's what all is in this box, and for $15, I would say that is one hell of a bargain for all of that. That is amazing, my dudes, and this would make a great gift for pretty much anybody, I think. So, as long as Target still got them, you know, this would be a good one to pick up, or even for yourself, either or. So, anyway, guys, that's it for this one. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.